Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will study about how to set units in AutoCAD. There are two ways of setting units in AutoCAD. First way is we need to click here at this corner, left hand side corner, okay, like that, and then click on drawing utilities, then units. Like that we can get the units tab like this screen. Second here way is the second method is here we need to type units in the command bar here like that, then we need to click enter, and then also we will get the units setting screen. Okay, here now we can use this unit setting screen to set the units for our drawing. Here see, this is length. In the length section there is type. Here from here we can choose the type of this the type of length measurement. So here there are architectural, decimal, engineering, like that. We will choose here for now decimal. Okay, and we can also choose the precision here from this tab, like that. We can take it set it as 0, then 0.0, then 0.00, like that. Okay, here now this is the section of aptitude for setting the angles. So here there are different angle types, decimal degrees, here gradients, here radians. In radians also we can measure. So here we will choose here decimal degrees for now, and precision also we can choose here from this tab. Okay, and now see here in the insertion scale, there is from that tab we can choose the unit measurement, that is in inches or feet or in millimeters or centimeters or in meters, any. Okay, for now we will choose here millimeters. Okay, and we will keep it as international only. Okay, so this is the overall setting we have done related to units in the AutoCAD. After doing these all activities, that is setting of units for our drawings, we need to click on OK to save our all settings. So we are clicking on OK. So now our units are set for our drawings. So students, in this video we have understood about how to set units in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.